And here we are with the Kagama4, running it on 3S to start off with, just to see what this thing is like. All 100% stock. I am running the stock radio as well, getting a feel for it. Actually, for 3S, I tell you, it's not that bad. Feels good, feels stable. Ooh, brakes are a little strong. This might create a bit of a problem for me when I'm jumping, but we shall see. Yeah, brakes are definitely a bit too strong. I may need to tune these before I even go on the jumps. Woo! And that is exactly what I mean. Brakes are too strong. All right, brakes adjusted. Let's see how this jumps. On 3S, let's see what this thing can do. Oh! Not enough authority to really pull the front nose up. It's a little bit nose heavy. But we'll try again and see if we can do a better jump. That's much better.
So much better.
Tires are struggling a little bit over here, which is surprising because these are the Skeeter tires essentially. Whoop! Watch out for that. Oh, it's even got enough power to do a wheelie on 3-cell. That's pretty good. Nice. A rebound wheelie. Alright, we'll do another big jump here. Nice. That was really good. Big slap on that other jump. It's very quiet. Whoop. Oh. Stays on its feet, which is good. Good low center of gravity. All right, let's go on the bigger jump. Okay, here we go. With some tailwind, can we get some good clearance out of this? Here we go. Nice. That was very clean. A little bit of a wobble, but it was very clean. Yeah. On 3-cell, it doesn't do too bad. Not good enough for the Superman jump, unfortunately, but that's where 4-cell comes in. All right, here we go. Stays on its feet. Very, very good. I think we've seen enough what this thing can do on 3-cell. I think it's a great little car to get into. Look at that. And stays on its feet again.
I know what I'm getting for Christmas.
Oh yeah, you getting one of these?
Yeah.
You like this one?
I think my mum liked that.
Well, it comes in 3 different colors, so you guys can get one each.
Yeah.
There's a blue one and a red one as well. And there's another one that's exactly the same but just has a different body. It's called the Punisher. And it's very, very cool. The body is very cool. So you got the Kagama4, which is this one, and then you got the Punisher. They're both the same car, they just have different bodies. All right, there we go. That's the Kagama4 on 3-cell. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.
Yeah, just put it down there. Put it down.
Just do the little jump. See if you can jump that little bit there. Careful, don't pull the trigger while he's holding it because you could hurt him, okay? That's it. Because those tires spin, it could hurt him. Hey, look at that, you did it! Hey, oh, it's gone away, you gotta stop. Now you lost sight of it. All right, come up here. You got it? Oh, he drove it over the hill and lost sight of it. He's bringing it back.
Put it there. Will it turn if I just go forward, or will it just go?
Well, yeah, you have to steer it because it's gonna lose. It's gonna. So you have.
If I go forward, will it go the other way? Which way will go forward?
Which go forward when you pull the trigger. So you pull the trigger to go forward. See, and then you use the steering to steer.
Which one's left?
Left, right.
Oh,
Left, right.
left. I need to go right.
Up.
Oopsies.
Control your throttle. Control your throttle. Nice and easy. Slowly,
If I go
slowly.
like this, will it
If
go
you go like that, it brakes, and then once it brakes, if you hit it again, it goes in reverse. See? All right. So don't just pull the trigger. Just squeeze. Nice control. Control your speed. There it
I
is.
didn't do that.
Control your speed. Easy. That's it. Oh, it's going on the other side. What? Stop. That's it. Bring it back. Nice and slow. Take it easy. Take it easy. You got it. Ooh, where'd it go? I think it's upside down.
Okay.
Hey, you did it! Well done!
But it's not as